Congrats on your recent Reflect Touch purchase. My name is Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate the Reflect Touch. Make sure that your Reflect is plugged in and the switch underneath is turned on. Press and hold the Echelon logo to turn your Reflect on. You will see a dialog box appear to connect to your Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi, put in your password, and connect. Now sign into the app with your username and password. Tap the screen to start and select the family member that's working out. The categories page includes your favorites, welcome, or intro classes, and all class types. Scroll and tap a category you wish to take, and you will see the next upcoming live class for that category. Every live class will be added to the on-demand section. If you wish to add a class to your favorites, tap the Start outline. The latest classes will be indicated with the new label. Tap a class that you want to take. You will see a class description to get more info on the class. Want to connect your heart rate monitor or Bluetooth headphones? You can do so before or during a class by putting your device in pairing mode and tapping the relevant icon on the screen. You will need to connect a heart rate monitor in order to track your calories. When you're ready, press play. During a class, you will compete on the leaderboard based on your heart rate. You can adjust the volume by tapping the volume button and pressing the plus or minus buttons. You can pause the video by tapping on the screen and pressing pause. If you want to exit the class, press the exit button. To view all upcoming live classes, select the Live tab. Here you can browse and filter by date and class type. On the Progress tab, you can view classes you've taken by week or by month, view total workouts, total duration, or calories burned. Select any class you've taken to see your class rank, your heart rate, your total calories burned. Want to delete a class? Select the three dots and delete a class. The More tab will allow you to adjust your settings on the Reflect and more. Want to switch a user? Simply tap Switch User and select a new member who wants to work out. You can also sign out from the More tab by tapping Sign Out. You can easily check for an update on the Reflect by tapping Check for an update. Looks like we're all up to date. You can also adjust the volume, brightness level, and change your Wi-Fi from the More tab. To change your time zone, select Time Zone and scroll. Tap your time zone. Set your location by tapping Location, selecting your country, and adding your postal code. Enable ADA settings by tapping ADA settings, tapping the toggle to turn it on, and selecting Save. When in ADA mode, guests can easily access classes by swiping down on the screen. During a class, the metrics and selection options are viewed lower on the screen, like the volume, the leaderboard, and the exit button. To exit, press back with the red arrow.